Wednesday, December 18, 2024. Focus. You shall call his name Jesus. The Shakespearean saying goes, what's in a name? More significantly, what is in a name that is God? Love, truth, hope, promise, and revelations. God's name communicates his message. God revealed himself to his people Israel by making his name known to them. God has a name. He is not an anonymous force. To disclose one's name is to make oneself known to others. In a way, it is to hand oneself over by becoming accessible, capable of being known more intimately and addressed personally. Reflecting on the Gospel in this third week of Advent, we joyfully await Emmanuel, God with us. There is excitement here on the earth now, as there was in heaven then. O Mary's feet at the Annunciation, and likewise at Joseph's feet, as he accepted as his wife a woman with a child who was not his own. Joseph trusted God and cooperated with his plan. It was to Joseph that the child identity was disclosed through the sharing of his name, and he called his name Jesus. God chose Joseph, a just man, one who as an earthly father would train his child in righteousness. Joseph, ever obedient to his prompting of the Holy Spirit, fulfilled his God-given responsibilities concerning the care of the Christ child. God always chooses wisely. Fruit. God calls each child by the name and lovingly entrusts them to our care to rise in righteousness.